Hello. We are here to explore a OBS issue. I started this YouTube thing for fun probably a month ago, and I've been using OBS to record videos, and I've come across a audio uh, static issue, and I want to go ahead and share the fix that I ended up finding to correct it. So essentially, it's terrible static on every audio channel if you record more than one. So every channel is unusable. I'm going to go ahead and play a video clip here of one of my videos that I could not remove the static from. So I ran with it anyway. So let's go ahead and get that started. Boy, they can move. Yeah, so that's kind of what the static sounds like. Now, what I ended up finding out is that the issue, as we have from the OBS project forum, is a little bit more common than I initially thought. Essentially, what happens is we have a limitation. Let me pull that up here. And then output and audio. So here on the OBS window, we have a limitation of 48 kilohertz being the maximum sample rate that OBS can record. And what I ran into is I ended up having my sample rate set to 9600, and then I found this post here on the forum from Maple Stank, classy name by the way, but essentially they suggested just dropping the hertz that the audio was set to, and that solved the problem for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my settings over here. So we have on Windows 11 for Windows 10, it'll be similar, I imagine. I don't remember Windows 10, but you want to go ahead and open your system settings. You want to go to sound, and then under sound, we're going to have every audio device that we have for us here. We hit this chevron, and then it'll take us to where we can see what the sample rate is set to under the output settings. And right here, this is where I had to change it for my headset. So I had it at 9600, and that caused an error. There was too much audio going through the headphones, and OBS was only able to capture about half of it. So for blocks of 3 to 5 minutes, every 10 minutes or so, just have static on every audio channel that couldn't be removed. But this is kind of the fix I found to, you just drop it down to match what, at least for me, I dropped it down to match what OBS can record, which is the 4800 hertz. And that solved the problem for me. But if you've experienced this problem and this helps you out, go ahead and leave a comment. Drop a like if you want smooth audio in your videos, and please consider subscribing. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Bye. And then put it on the page. So let's go ahead and, because I want to go ahead and show without showing everything. All right, now just be 1 second to get this setting. Okay,